crossing into Illinois right now. I can't see nothing behind me. There's cars back there, and I can't see them. But I'm about 30-45 minutes away. Oh, today's goal is to drop this load, get the next load, drop that, and then get to St. Joe and shut down in St. Joe today. I think it'll be manageable as long as my 14 doesn't run into my 11. Wanna know why they call it Illinois? Because it's so annoying. Annoy.
Welcome to Missouri.
We're here. We got assigned 809. This is going to be fun. Tandems don't want to pull. I'm going to try rocking the tandems one more time. If that don't work, then I'm going to pull up. Yep, I'm done. Picked up the new trailer from work, and we're headed down to St. Joe to get our next load, which we're gonna sleep at St. Joe as well. I'll show you here in a second why I'm parking here and not down there. So that right there is why. I did not park next to that trailer. I don't know whose trailer that is, but I didn't want to park next to it.